Continuous random variable homework question 2. First off, what is the first thing you really need to spot in this question? Uniform, rectangular, whatever you want to call it, yeah. It's constant height everywhere. So if you do a sketch of this one, you've got t along the bottom going from 25 to minus 5, and everywhere between it the height is 1 over 30. It's a uniform distribution, rectangular distribution, whatever you want to call it. How do you find the mean of the rectangular distribution? Don't do any fancy integration stuff, there's a formula for it. A plus b over 2, where the a is the minimum value here, the b is the maximum value there. So add those together, you get 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So there's just 1 mark for writing that one down. Can anybody tell me the formula for the variance of a rectangular? Richard?
B minus a all squared over 12.
Yeah, okay. Again, it's something you just need to remember, you can quote, and you don't need to do any integration. So that will be 25, take away minus 5, which is 30, all squared, which is 900, divided by 12, and that comes out to be 75. And again, there's just 1 mark for that, because there wasn't much calculation to do. Part B, you've got to make sure you can understand what's going on, really, part B. Calculate the probability that Paul will make an error, and the whole question here is about errors in minutes. The error of at least 2 minutes when estimating the time he takes to complete a given assignment. What are they wanting you to do? Can I write down a probability sort of thing in brackets here that will describe this? An error of magnitude at least 2. Yeah?
Basically, it's 1 minus the probability that it's between minus 2 and 2.
If it's between minus 2 and 2, that's a magnitude of size less than 2. The error is no bigger than 2. It doesn't care which direction it's in. So that is an error no bigger than 2. They want an error of at least 2, so they want the opposite of that. So yes, they want that. That's correct. So, easiest way of doing it, just do that drawing there again. Okay. We've got minus 5 there, we've got 25 there. We know that the height is 1 over 30. If I put minus 2 line in there, 2 line in there, I'm interested in that rectangle for this bit here. What's the width of that rectangle? 4. Area of that rectangle?
4.
Yeah, 4 times 4 30ths, so it's 1 minus 4 30ths, which is 26 30ths, which is 13 15ths. And that is the answer for that last bit, 13 15ths. So for this question, 1 mark for part A1, 1 mark for part A2, 3 marks for the final bit. They have given...
If I put it in decimal.
If you put it decimal, that's fine, that's what they've got here. So they've given 1 mark for sort of doing that 1 minus bit, 1 mark for probably there really for the 4 over 30, and 1 mark for the final answer. They've given it there as a decimal as well. So that's out of 5.